Came across an FTNKMHZ file with no clear origin? This is an extremely rare file type with no public documentation available. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying and handling these mysterious files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the FTNKMHZ format, but we'll attack the top issues first. FTNKMHZ files are extremely uncommon files with no documented origin or purpose. The unusual extension pattern suggests possible random generation by malware ransomware, or used by a highly specialized application not publicly documented anywhere online. FTNKMHZ files have no documented format specification with internal structure unknown without reverse engineering analysis. The unusual extension pattern strongly suggests either malware-encrypted files or output from extremely niche specialized internal tools. Guaranteed access to FTNKMHZ files is typically achieved using HXD from malware-encrypted. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows provides insufficient detail, so viewing must happen in dedicated legacy file readers. To determine the correct decoder, right-click the FTNKMHZ file and select Open With. Prioritize HXD if available. If it's absent, select another application. Compatibility often surprises people. If your FTNKMHZ file isn't cooperating, don't worry. This particular FTNKMHZ file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, scanning for malware. Before any further action, scan the FTNKMHZ file with Windows Defender, Malwarebytes, or your antivirus software. Unusual random-looking extensions often indicate ransomware-encrypted files. Complete a full system scan to identify and remediate any active threats first. Next, examining with hex editor. Open the FTNKMHZ file in a hex editor like HXD to inspect the file header for recognizable signatures. The first bytes may reveal known file format magic numbers behind the unusual extension or expose patterns indicating encryption or compression. Finally, checking for ransomware. Multiple files with the FTNKMHZ extension across your system strongly suggest ransomware infection. Visit ID Ransomware website to identify the ransomware family. Restore affected files from clean backups rather than paying ransoms which provide no guarantee of recovery. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagic is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagic. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.